In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in Notion. If you are cleaning up a page, removing outdated information, or simply starting fresh. Deleting a table in Notion is very quick, once you know where to click. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two simple ways to remove a table, and both methods are easy enough for beginners. Let's start with the first method. Open your Notion page and click anywhere inside the table you want to delete. This makes sure the table is active and ready for editing. Once you are inside the table, highlight everything in it by clicking and dragging your cursor across all of the cells or rows until the full table content is selected. Take a second to make sure you've selected the entire table because if only part of it is highlighted, only that section may be affected. After everything is selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted area. A menu will appear from that menu. Choose Delete. As soon as you click it, the table will be removed from the page. Now let's look at the second method, which is even faster if you prefer using your keyboard. Click inside the table so Notion knows that's the element you want to work with. Once the table is selected and active, press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. This can remove the entire table at once, making it a convenient option when you want a quick shortcut instead of using the right-click menu. A useful tip here is to pause for a moment before deleting, especially if the table contains important information, since tables often hold organized notes, tasks, or data. It's a good idea to double-check that you are removing the correct one. This helps avoid accidentally deleting something you still need. Both methods are simple, and the best one really depends on how you like to work. If you prefer using menus and visual selection, the first method is a solid choice. If you like quick keyboard actions, the second method is the fastest route. That's all there is to it. Deleting a table in Notion only takes a few seconds once you know these two methods. And now you can use whichever one feels more natural for your workflow.